Hello everyone, welcome to the Maths online class of Anand Medical Academy. See, now what we are discussing the topic is linear inequalities, and in previous classes what we have learned is linear inequality in one variable, right? Linear inequality in one variable. Now today class and the day after tomorrow class what we will discuss is linear inequality in two variables, nothing but what we have discussed previously. Those are nothing but 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 10, right? So this is nothing but linear inequality. Why? Because highest power is 1 and also in one variable, nothing but only in terms of x. So these are the problems belongs to linear inequality in one variable, right? Now we will discuss, I will introduce how to solve linear inequality in two variables, right? For example, for this problem, 2x minus 3 greater than or less than or equal to 10. The solution will be 2x less than or equal to 13, x is less than or equal to 13 by 2, right? Nothing but 6.5, right? Now this x value, x is less than or equal to 6.5. What is the solution set for this? The solution set we will represent in terms of number line, right? In terms of number line. When the variable is only one, we will represent the solution in number line. That is, for example, if it is 0, if it is 6.5, how we will represent this solution set? Less than or equal to 6.5. Above 6.5 we need to do dark circle, and left side to that also we need to shade. So this is what nothing but solution set in terms of number line. When it comes to solution set, how we have written this in terms of x belongs to, from where to where it is there, left side is minus infinity, so open bracket, to where it is there up to 6.5. That is 6.5. Open or close bracket? Close bracket. Why? Because it is equal symbol. So this is the solution set. Now I will tell what do you mean by solution set. The solution set means this one you write. Now what do you mean by solution set? Solution set means the set of values. You need to write the set of values of x. The set of values which satisfy the set of values of x which satisfy the problem statement true. For example, if you take any number in between minus infinity to 6.5, you take any number, for example minus infinity to 6.5, 0 is also there, 0 is substitute here, 0 is substitute here, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, which is less than or equal to 10, true or not, right? That means, so the solution set means set of values in that interval, set of values in that interval which makes the problem statement true. So that we consider as solution set. This is when it comes to linear inequality in one variable, right? Linear inequality in one variable. Now, when it comes to linear inequality in two variables, can we represent the solution set in terms of like this? No, we cannot. And can we do like this? No, we cannot. Why? Because if it is one variable, one line. If it is one variable, one line. If it is two variables, if we do in terms of two variables, linear inequality in two variables, then we should have two lines. Those two lines are nothing but we will represent in Cartesian plane. You know Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane means the two perpendicular line divides the plane into four equal parts, right? That we will discuss now. Pause the video and now. Now I will write two perpendicular lines. This is one straight line and perpendicular to this, nothing but making an angle 90 degrees to this, right? So these are two lines. For example, if this board if you consider as a plane, so these are the two lines, two perpendicular lines which divides this plane into four equal parts. Four equal parts. See here you can think like that. See, sir, you have drawn to one side. How this plane will become two equal parts? So assume that this plane is indefinite, right? Like infinity, right? Then this right side infinity will be there. This right side infinity will be there. This left side infinity. This down side infinity. Infinity means we don't know. So therefore we consider those are four equal parts. So those equal parts, this horizontal line I will consider as To right side of this line, I will consider as positive x-axis. Left side is negative, nothing but x dash. So this line, this vertical line, I will consider as y-axis. Above that, I will consider as positive y-axis. This is negative y-axis. Then numbers I will write. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on infinity. Here negative, -1, -2, -3, so on. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, so on like that. So this is nothing but Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is two mutually perpendicular lines divides the plane into four equal parts, right? Those four parts we will consider as quadrants. Those four parts we will consider as quadrants. Nothing but Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, right? In Q1, quadrant 1, x also positive, y is also positive. This is positive case. This one, x is negative, y is positive. Minus plus case. This is x negative, y negative. Minus minus. This is x positive, y negative. Plus minus. See, always in terms of order pair. This is nothing but order pair. Right? Order pair means two are there in terms of open bracket. These we consider as order pair. See, in order pair, if you take any point, for example, if I consider this point, how you will represent this point? This point is 1, 1, right? But first element belongs to x-axis. Second element belongs to y-axis. You know already, you have done in coordinate geometry. So that means this is x, this is y. So while mentioning plus sign, minus sign also you have to consider like that, x, y. So x-axis plus plus, minus plus, minus minus, and plus plus, plus minus. See, this detailed information you will get in trigonometry, no problem. But for the meanwhile I have told this. Now from this, see, I told that to find solution set for linear inequality in one variable, one number line is enough. But to find linear inequality in two variables, two mutually perpendicular lines, nothing but Cartesian plane required. Right? From this, how to solve and how to find solution set from this, I will tell. Now I will consider Cartesian plane, nothing but a coordinate plane. See, listen carefully. See this, as I consider this as y-axis, this is y dash. This is x-axis, this is positive x-axis and negative x-axis, nothing but x dash. See, origin point, nothing but intersection point of these two axes when both are perpendicular. This point we consider as origin, nothing but 0, 0 point. Why? Because in this center point, nothing but origin, x value is 0, y value also 0. So x value starts from here to right side with positive direction, like 1, 2, 3. Here -1, -2, -3 like that. Right? Above the y-axis also 1, 2, 3. This is -1, -2, -3, so on like that. Now, so this y-axis is there now. This y-axis has another name. That name is x equal to 0. This y-axis name is x equal to 0 line. Why we call this as x equal to 0? Why? Because if you take any point here, what is this point? This point is 0, -2. This point is 0, -3. Right or not? If you take any point on this line, what is the x value? X value is 0. Therefore, this line we can also call as x equal to 0. When it comes to this x-axis, what is this point? This point is 1, 0. This point is 2, 0. Like that. If you take any number on the x-axis, what is y value? Y value is 0. Right? Therefore, this x-axis we can also call as y equal to 0 line, and this y-axis we can also call as x equal to 0 line. Right? Remember these 2 points. Now, if I draw a vertical line, which is perpendicular to x-axis, like this. So I will draw a vertical line perpendicular to x-axis, which passes through the point 3, 0. Now this line name, see, this line, this vertical line is parallel to x-axis or not? What is x-axis? This y-axis or not? What is this line name? Y x equal to 0. Why? Because anywhere you will get x equal to 0. When it comes to this line, it is passing through 3, 0. That means if you take any point here, for example, what is this point? 3, 1. What is this point? 3, 2. Right? So this line name is x equal to 3 line, right? If I consider if a line passing through, if it is a vertical line which is passing through minus 4 comma 0, then what is this line name? This line name is x equal to minus 4. I think you understand now. If a line, now you tell me, if the vertical line passing through the point minus 10 comma 0, then that line name is x equal to minus 10. Now similarly, if a line, horizontal line passing through 0 comma 3, and perpendicular to y axis and parallel to x axis, what is this line name? When it passing through 3 comma 0, sorry, when it passing through 0 comma 3, right? This x axis name is y equal to 0. When it is parallel to that line, this line name is y equal to 3. Why? Because it is passing through 0 comma 3, right? If it is horizontal lines, that line's names will be start with y equal to. If it is vertical lines, that line names will start with x equal to, which passing through that point. Based on that point, that line name will be there, right? So like this, we will identify line names. Nothing but these are equations. Why? Because equal signs are there, right? Now, see here, another Cartesian plane. This is 1, 2, 3, right? Infinity to minus infinity to infinity, right? This is 0 comma 0. If x equal to 3 line, if you want to draw here, how you draw? Right? If it is equal sign, we will draw dark line. Nothing but a simple straight line. When x equal to 3. If x is less than 3, see, as you have read the concept in linear inequality in one variable, right? If x equal to 3, how you will write? 3 you will do dark point. If it is equal to 3, if x is less than 3, how you will do? You will do open circle, right? If it is x less than or equal to 3, then what you will do? You will dark this circle and also you will draw shaded region to this, right or not? When it is x less than or equal to 3. If it is only equal to 3, you will put only dot. If it is less than 3, you will do open circle. If it is less than or equal to 3, you will dot the point and also you will draw shaded region to left side. Like that, similarly, if x equal to 3 means only line. If x is less than 3 means dotted line to left side. Now, when x is less than 3, how you need to draw is, like this you need to draw. X is less than 3. Here x is equal to 3. No. When x is not equal to 3, we need to draw dotted line. Here dotted line is nothing but open circle here. Right? Here we will do open circle. Here we will do dotted line. Here dotted line nothing but not equal to 3. Now for the condition less than 3, we need to shade this region. This is nothing but x less than 3. When x is less than or equal to 3, then how to draw a Cartesian plane if x is less than or equal to 3? For equal to, we will draw dark line. For less than or equal to, we will shade this side. If it is x greater than or equal to 3, for equal sign we will draw dark line. For greater than, instead of shading this side, we will shade this side, right? Like this we will represent a solution on number line. When it comes to in terms of x equal to 0, x equal to 3, x equal to 4, when it comes to linear inequality in one variable, right? Like in terms of x or in terms of y, like that we will represent lines and we will draw. See some of the examples I will tell, those you can do, those you can understand properly. Now these are some of the examples how we will represent linear inequality in one variable in terms of graph. See, for example, if the question is x is less than 2, first of all you need to identify whether it is strict inequality or slack inequality. What is that? Strict means what? Less than or greater than you consider as strict, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to you consider as slack. Why we need to identify these means? Strict means what we need to do is dotted line we need to draw, whether it may be horizontal or vertical. For slack inequality we need to draw like dark line, normal line we need to draw. Remember these two parts. See, based on these only we will mention on Cartesian plane. Now first one, x is less than 2. When x is less than 2, strict or slack? Strict means we need to do dotted line. When x is less than 2, this is horizontal or vertical line? Horizontal or vertical line? When in terms of x means always we need to draw vertical line. So x is less than 2. So for 2 we need to draw dotted line. Here it represents x is not equal to 2. So not equal to 2. Now x is less than 2. So this side we need to shade. From where? From where to where? Up to infinity. So instead of all that, if we represent like this by using like this arrows, or you can put star marks, you can highlight this region. But you need to shade and you have to represent this is the reason. Now next problem. X is greater than or equal to 1. X is greater than or equal to 1. Strict means strict or slack? Slack. Slack means straight line, right? Dark line. X is equal to 1. So vertical line. X equal to 1 is vertical line. Now x is greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 1. These are x values and x axis values. X axis value is greater than right side or left side? Always right side. So this is the shaded region for this side. Right? Now when it comes to y less than or equal to minus 1. Y less than or equal to minus 1. Y means horizontal or vertical? Horizontal line. X means vertical lines. Y means horizontal lines. But don't confuse. X axis means horizontal, y axis means vertical. But when it comes to lines, in terms of x means vertical, in terms of y means horizontal. Now y less than or equal to minus 1. Strict or slack? So for y equal to minus 1, this line. Now y less than or greater than y values. This is y axis now. Y values will be greater on top, but they ask less than. So this side. So this is the solution. Nothing but this is the solution region. Right now, for this one, y greater than 4. Strict or slack? Strict. So y greater than 4. For 4 we need to draw dotted line, but straight only dotted line. Y greater than 4. Greater than 4 means upside or downside for y axis? Upside. So this side. So like this we will represent shaded regions. Nothing but solution region also. So this one we can write as a shaded region, or nothing but solution region, See, pause the video now. Now another important point we need to remember is, for example, in a Cartesian plane or nothing but two-dimensional plane, x dash y dash this is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 right. Now for example, if I consider any line, like for example this, what is this line? This line is x equal to 3, right, or not, passing through 3 comma 0 and perpendicular to x axis, right, as and also parallel to y axis, right. This is x equal to 3 line, right. Now if you take any straight line, that straight line divides the Cartesian plane into two equal parts. This line divides the entire Cartesian plane into two equal parts. What are those? This is left of plane, and right side we consider as right of plane. This is left of plane, this is right of plane. You may get doubt that, sir, you have drawn a line from 3 to 0, 3 comma 0. Why it will be off, sir? So this side part will be more when compared to this. You may get doubt that. But up to where it is there? Infinity. So in that infinity, is this 1 2 3 matters? No, doesn't matter. So that's why I consider this as left half plane and right half plane, right? Now, for example, so you may ask, sir, if it is like this is left and right. If a line is like this, then which is left, sir? Which is right, sir? No, this will call won't call as left and right. This will consider as upper half plane, and this is lower half plane. So these are the two planes, which is upper half plane, lower half plane. If the line is like this, left half plane, right half plane. So which we will consider as two equal parts only. Right? Pause the video and now. How to solve linear inequality in two variables in terms of graph and finding solution set or nothing but solution ratio. For example, if the question is 4x plus 8y less than or equal to 16. So they will ask like solve 4x plus 8y less than or equal to 16 graphically. Solve 4x plus 8y less than or equal to 16 graphically we need to solve. Right? Now, here x and y, can we represent the solution set in terms of one number line? No. Why? Because here we have two variables. Two variables means we need to draw two-dimensional plane. Now, before that, if they given any linear inequality in terms of two variables, linear inequality, linear means highest power one, two variables. How to solve and how to represent on number line? First of all, remember the process. First of all, given linear inequality, we need to convert into equation first. If see, remember, it may be less than or equal to greater than, less than or greater than. First of all, given linear inequality, we need to convert into equation, right? After converting into equation, if anything you can simplify, means you can simplify. If you take 4 common from this is x plus 2y equal to, here this is 16, then x plus 2y which is equal to 4. So that is reducible to x plus 2y equal to 4. If it is reducible, you can reduce. Otherwise, leave it like that only. X plus 2y equal to 4. Now, by using this equation, how to draw a straight line? On two-dimensional plane. See, this is x dash, y dash, this is y, and this is x. This point is 0, 0. By using equation, how we can draw a straight line? It will be like this or like this or like this or like this or like this. How we can draw? See, we need to draw a table, right? This first row represents x values, second row represents y values. See, the same procedure will continue for first year, and also in second year also this topic will be continuous. There also you will use the same method. That is, you draw a table x. First row will be xi values, second row will be y values. First you consider x equal to 0, here opposite, this is y equal to 0. So that 0 value is substitute in that equation. If x equal to 0, right? If x equal to 0, what is y value? 2y equal to 4, y equal to 4 by 2, nothing but 2. Nothing but one point is 0 comma 2, x comma y, 0 comma 2. Next, if y you have considered 0, if y equal to 0, what is x? X equal to 4. That means what is another point? Another point is 4 comma 0. Now how many points we got? We got 2 points, right? By using those 2 points we can draw straight line, right or not? If we have 2 points we can join or not? Yes. So we can join by using these 2 points. Now substitute those 2 points on the graph. Before substituting on that graph, we need to write scale. Scale is nothing but on x-axis values what we are taking, like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 2, 4, 6, 8. Why? Because if the values are big, we cannot represent 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because if it is 100 comma 0, it will be somewhere. So if the big values are there, we will increase this scale. See, for example, here on x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit I take. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit I take. Why 1 unit means here are 2 4 only small values now. Here you need to write 1 centimeter is equal to how many units you will take, that unit, right? Why 1 centimeter is equal to means if you observe graph sheet, so there will be lines like this. right? There will be lines like this. If you identify any block which is of 1 centimeter, right, top, bottom, left, right, so all will be of 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, 2 units, like that we need to take. Now as I consider 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Here 1, 2, 3 like that. Now points are 0, 2, 0, 2, that point, right? Next one 4, 0, x value 4, 0. So this point. Now join those two. Join those two. As I said that when we should draw straight line, nothing but dark line when it is slack. When it is slack. But given question is slack or strict, slack. So we need to draw dark line. You need to remember. When the question is strict, what we need to do? Dotted line, right? Joining points also in terms of dotted line. Now, now we got one straight line by using equation, right? After converting inequality into equation by using points, we draw straight line. Now, for this solution reason will be upper of plane or lower of plane, upper of plane or lower of plane. How to identify? How to mention? See, is your wish or our wish to draw upper of plane or lower of plane? Not your wish and not our wish. Based on that inequality we need to draw. Always less than means lower of plane, right? Greater than means upper of plane, right? But when it is a vertical line, less than means left of plane, greater than means right of plane. But in terms of theory exam, we should not draw simply like that. How to draw means we need to take checkpoint. We need to take checkpoint. Listen carefully. We need to take checkpoint. Checkpoint is nothing but, see, for this line, either you can take right side, nothing but upper of plane, any one point, like 3, 0, 0, 3 like that, any point upper of plane, or you can take any point on lower of plane. Now instead of all that confusing whether to take which point, I will prefer you to take only one point, that is 0, 0. 0, 0. For any line, it may be like this or like this or like this or like this. It may be for any line. I prefer you to take this point, that is 0, 0. Now that 0, 0, by using that point, what we need to do? How to identify this region or that region? That 0, 0 we need to substitute in given inequality. In terms of x, y, that 0, 0 we need to substitute. That means checkpoint is here. Which point I consider? Consider 0, 0 as our checkpoint. Consider 0, 0 as our checkpoint. Now this 0, 0 we need to substitute in the given inequality. So that is 4 into 0 plus 8 into 0 less than or equal to 16. Now we simplify this. 0 less than or equal to 16. What we got? 0 less than or equal to 16, right? Now this 0 less than or equal to 16, true or false? True or false? Absolutely this is true. 0 is less than 16 now. If it is true, what we need to do is shade the region towards checkpoint. Shade the region towards checkpoint. So this means for this line, checkpoint is lower of plane or upper of plane. For this line, this is lower of plane. For this, as we are taking this point, we got true or false? True. True means what we need to do? We need to shade to this side, nothing but towards the checkpoint. For example, if it came false, what we need to do? For this line, this is checkpoint. Now we need to do opposite. Opposite means upper side we need to draw. Did you understand how to draw? See, I will tell the steps how to solve this. First step, listen carefully. First step is converting inequality into equation, right? Second step, getting points from inequation. How? X equals 0, y equals 0. This is second step. Then what is third step? Now third step is what? After plotting points on the graph. What is third point? The third point is very much essential, that is draw the line on the graph. Draw the line on the graph. After drawing line, what is next step? The fourth step is checkpoint. Why will we checkpoint? To identify the region, whether it is lower of plane or upper of plane or left of plane or right of plane based on that line. So these are the 4 points. After getting that 4 points, whether it may be true or false. True means what we need to do? Shade it to the towards checkpoint, right? If it is false, opposite to the checkpoint. Opposite to the checkpoint means not this side. From that line opposite, like from here, right? So these are the four steps. Now what we need to write? So this is a shaded region. This is shaded region or solution region. Which region? All this, right? Pause the video and note down. Now I will tell two examples. Based on two examples, if you understand clearly, you can do that entire exercise which I will give for assignment. See these two are very easy topics, but you have to understand very carefully without any confusion. See, the question is solve graphically express 2y less than 6. Less than 6. Strict or slack inequality? Slack inequality. Sorry, strict inequality. Strict means what? Which line? Dotted or dark? Dotted line. So, but what is first step? Converting inequality into equation, that is given solution. Given x plus 2y less than 6. Now we will convert into equation. Nothing but x plus 2y equal to 6. After converting into equation, we need to find 2 points, right? 2 points. x0, y0, not here. x0, if x equals 0, y value 3, right? If y equals 0, x equal to 6, we got 2 points. What are the 2 points? 0, 3 and 6, 0 are 2 points. Plot on graph and join them. Right? So like this, how I am writing solution for this problem, like this only you need to draw on assignments also. Nothing but your notes. So plot on graph and join them. So this is a Cartesian plane of this is y dash, x dash, y, and this is x. Now scale. What is the scale? Here scale is on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Definitely this one you need to write on top of the graph sheet, otherwise your marks will be cut. Now as I consider 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 value. Now what are our points? 0, 3, 0, 3, this point 6, 0, this is 6, 0, this point. Join these two, right? Plot the point on graph and join them by using which line? Dotted line. By using dotted line. Why dotted line? Why dotted line? Because it is strict inequality. So this is our line. After drawing that line, whether the solution region is upper of plane or lower of plane, how we can decide? By using checkpoint, right? By using checkpoint. For checkpoint, which point I have considered you to prefer? That is 0, 0 always. Consider 0, 0 as our checkpoint, right? Our checkpoint. If you consider 0, 0, where we need to use this point? Substituting given inequality. That is 0 plus 2 into 0 less than 6. Nothing but 0 less than 6. True or false? 0 less than 6. True or false? True. True means what is the conclusion? Shade the region towards checkpoint. Shade the region towards checkpoint. Right or not? So for this line, checkpoint is lower of plane or upper of plane. So 0, 0 here. So shade the region towards checkpoint. So this side. This side. Right? So this is the final solution design. Like this you need to write. First step is converting inequality into equation. After that points are plot on graph and join them. Right? If it is dotted line and it is strict, you need to draw dark line and it is slack. After that checkpoint. Why checkpoint? To identify region, whether it is a lower of plane or upper of plane. So like this you need to identify the region. This is first step. Then comes to question number 3, that is solve graphically ax plus 4y greater than or equal to 0. See, this is also strict inequality or slack inequality. This is strict, means dotted line, but region we need to draw, that is compulsory. Here strict or slack. Slack means which line we need to draw? Dark line. Remember, Now another thing what you need to remember is here 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Here this problem and previous problem in terms of any one real number other than 0, it may be 6, 8, 10, 20 like that. So we can draw like this. But if you observe in any problem, not only this, in any problem, whenever 3x plus 4y or 2x minus 3y, 10x plus 50y, less than 0, greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. Whenever on the right hand side if 0 is there, on the right hand side if 0 is there, compulsory that line will pass through origin. That line passes through origin. That may be from this side or from that side or this side or that side. Compulsory, but it will pass through origin. For those lines, which lines? The line which passes through origin. For those lines, we should not take 0, 0. We should not take 0, 0. Except 0, 0. We can take any other point except on the line. That I will tell you. First, you convert inequality into equation. Right? Solution is given 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 0. If you convert into equation, 3x plus 4y equal to 0. 4y equal to 0. Why we are converting? What is our main duty? To obtain points. Why we need to obtain point? To draw a line. Why we need to draw a line? To identify shaded line. That is our main thing now. So 3x plus 4y equal to 0. Now I will draw a table. X and y. X 0 and right? If x equal to 0, right? What is y value? Y value also 0. But when it comes to previous problem, 0, 0. Here we will take to get easy points. But when it is equal to 0 or greater than 0, we should not put 0, 0 opposite. Why? Because if y is also 0, x is also 0, that means same points we get. So that's why only for x or y you have to put 0, right? For x I consider 0, 0. Next for y. For y you take any other point. For y you take any other point. I will consider minus 3. Y equal to minus 3. Your wish. Any real number you can consider. Y equal to minus 3. If y equal to minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 4. Minus 12. That minus 12 if you set to right side plus 12. Then 3x equal to plus 12. X equal to 12 by 3 nothing but x value 4. X value 4. Now these are the points. What are those points? 0, 0 and 4, minus 3 are 2 points. Plot and join them. Plot and join them on graph. Plot and join them on graph. Now, so the graph is like this. This is x dash, this is x, this is y, this is y dash. See on graph we should not leave any point. See this is a scale. Here scale you need to write. That scale is on x axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Right? Compulsory scale unit, right? According to that scale, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is minus 1. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, this is 1, 2, 3. Now our points are 0, 0. This point, next point 4, minus 3. This is 4, this is minus 3. So this point 4, minus 3. Now it is a dotted line or dark line, slack inequality. So it is dark line. This is dark line. What is this line name? Line name is 3x plus 4y equal to 0. Compulsory unit, right? Line name also. Line name is equal sign. Why? Because by that equation only we got points, not from inequality. From equation, that line name is 3x plus 4y equal to 0. Now, to shade the region, upper half plane or lower half plane? For this checkpoint. For this checkpoint. As I said that you need to take 0, 0 for any line, but not for line passes through origin. That may be from this side or any side. When a line passes through 0, 0, we should not take checkpoint. Why we should not take? If you may ask doubt, why we should not take means if you observe that 0, 0 is on the line point. On the line. What do you mean by solution set? Solution means the set of value which makes the statement true. If you take 0 comma 0, right, if you take 0 comma 0, substitute here 0 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, that means that will be on the line pointer. For checkpoint we should not take on the line pointer. For this line also we can take any pointer but except on the line points, right? Checkpoint means we should not take on the line points. We can take outside right side pointer, left side pointer, any pointer. Now for this line I will take 4 comma 0 as checkpoint. You can take any line, any pointer, but better always you take points on either x-axis or y-axis. Either here or here or anywhere you take points on x-axis or y-axis. You can take any point, but for our easy solution, I will take 4 comma 0. I will consider 4 comma 0 as checkpoint. 4 comma 0 as checkpoint. That 4 comma 0, what we need to do? Substitute in given equation, that is 3 into 4 plus 4 into 0 greater than or equal to 0. 3 fourths 12. 12 greater than or equal to 0. True or false? 12 greater than or equal to 0 is true. 12 greater than or equal to 0 is true. If it is true, what you need to do? If it is true, shade the region towards checkpoint. Shade the region towards checkpoint. So what is our checkpoint? 4 comma 0. It came true. True means towards checkpoint. Towards checkpoint. Why? Because checkpoint is on upper of line. So towards checkpoint. For example, so you may get out that. So why 4 comma 0 means true? If you take this side, what it will come? For example, if I take minus 2 comma 0. If I take see carefully. If I take minus 2 comma 0, substitute minus 2 comma 0 in this given inequality. 3 into minus 2, minus 6 plus 4 into 0, 0. Is minus 6 greater than or equal to 0? No. Minus 6 is not greater than or equal to 0. False. For this line, if I take minus 2 comma 0, it came true or false? False. False means opposite. So this line. That means you can take any line, but answer will come same. So then solution reason is this line. Solution reason is this one. So this is how to solve and given inequality in two variables. Here I have written very clumsily, but in your graph notebook, you have to write in graph notebook only. In graph notebook, you have to write in very neatly. Right? You need to follow the steps. Graph should be on graph sheet. Remaining theory part should be on rule sheet. Right? Why? Because on graph book, one side a rule book will be there, and the other side left side graph sheet will be there. Graph on graph sheet, scale also you need to draw on graph sheet. This theory part. When it comes to theory part, what are the steps? First one is given inequality. After that equation. After that finding points. After that consider. So those are the 2 points. Plot and join on graph. Next one is checkpoint. Those all should be on graph on a rule sheet. Right? Very neatly. See, based on these examples, if you have any doubts, you can ask in that group. Based on this, I will give one exercise, very easy exercise. You have to do all on graph sheet and submit to me. Thank you for watching. Thank you.